And now I wanted to jump into the portion of the video, which, as you guys noticed by the title, it is a review first impression. So I have never done a first impression before, so I waited to do this video to open it with you guys and, you know, see if it really works how the company states it does. It is a Miss Pink USA. It is a small company here in Florida, and they sent me over a liner that is also an adhesive liner, which they state that you can just take your lashes, you don't even have to put glue on them, you can just pop them right on top of the liner that you just created on your eyes. So I wanted to see if it was real, like it was too good to be true. I said, oh my god, I really need to try it. I'm intrigued. Have not tried it yet, so I'm opening it now with you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is black and it has a gold detail, which is very nice. And you can tell it says here Miss Pink. Hope you guys can see that. And in the back, it also says Lash Liner Adhesive Eyeliner Pen. So it gives you kind of all that information right there. So yeah, I'm excited to try to see if it actually really is true. It's leaking a little bit. Oh, no, just kidding. That was a little bubble. So that's what the pen looks like. Very fine tip. Okay, so I'm not gonna go very dramatic as to do like a crazy wing or anything like that, because the lashes that I'm gonna be wearing are pretty bold. So I don't want to even worry about doing a wing liner because it's not really gonna show too much. So I'm just gonna do just the regular liner itself. I do like that the pen is very sturdy. I like that. It glides on pretty easy, as you guys can see here. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my lashes. As you can see, they're still in the packaging. And there you go. So I'm gonna take them out of here. I've already worn these prior, so they should go on fairly easy. And as you can see, guys, look, there's nothing on there. I'm touching it, there's nothing on my hands. So just wanna make sure you guys can see that. So let's see. Oh my god, you guys, shut up. Look at that. It's actually sticking. No way. This is freaking crazy. Do you know about how much time we will cut just using this liner, guys? Like, just this literally glued this here. I'm in shock. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Just in case you didn't catch that the first time, we're gonna do this again. So we are back with the pen. As you can see, just do your regular line. And just FYI, it doesn't even feel tacky or anything. It just feels like I'm literally just putting eyeliner. You know, just that wet consistency. It doesn't feel tacky or anything like that. Having the lashes, again, out of here, taking them off and applying it. I mean, you guys, I'm not even kidding. It literally glued the lashes. Like, you saw that. Like, oh my god, that is crazy. And it went on like really quick. So I'm in love. Like, I don't even understand. Like, this is crazy. You guys, if you don't believe me and you want to try this yourself, I swear I'm gonna put the link down below. I'll put my code there so you guys can get 20% off, and you guys can definitely try it for yourself, because this is crazy. This literally cuts down the applying lashes. It's quick, it's easy. You guys saw that. Wow, I am in shock. This really does work.